Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I thought I'll share with you all an affordable makeup starter kit. All the products that I'll be showing you guys in this video are of good quality and are all under ₹500. I hope this video will be really helpful for all the beginners out there who are just starting with their makeup. So yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So the first thing is to prime our faces, and the best affordable primer has to be the Patanjali Aloe Vera gel. If you're from the dry skin category, then definitely go for the Kesar Chandan one, which is the yellow one, and if you're from the oily skin category, then you can go for this one. So I'm just going to explain you what a primer does. It acts as a barrier between our face and our foundation so that our foundation doesn't get into our pores, and it also makes our makeup long lasting. So definitely go for this one. So coming to foundation, I think one of the best affordable foundations has to be the Nykaa Skin Genius foundation. I chose this foundation for the beginners simply because of its skin adapting qualities. So what it basically means is that even if you're not sure about your proper shade, then you can go a shade lighter or a shade darker or the shade you think is nearest to your skin tone, and it will definitely adapt to your skin color. So that's the best part about this foundation, and it's a light to medium coverage foundation, but you can definitely build it up, and it works perfectly both on dry and oily skin type. So yeah, definitely go for this one. So coming to concealer, to hide our dark circles, I think the Maybelline Fit Me concealer is one of the best concealers, and it can be compared to a lot of different high-end concealers. So it's really good, and it's a high coverage concealer, so definitely check this out. Coming to loose powders, I don't really think that you need to invest in a loose powder. You can go for the Johnson baby powder, and it does the job. It looks beautiful. So you can just buy this one and do your baking. So definitely go for this one. So coming to compact, I think one of the best affordable compacts has to be the Loreal Matte Magique Compact. This is a really good compact, and it works perfectly for both dry and oily skin types. So definitely go for this one. So coming to blush, contour and highlight, I would suggest rather than buying them individually, go for a palette like this. So this is the Sivanna Colors Ultra Blush Palettes. So I'm just going to show you. It has 4 matte blushes, 2 shimmer blushes, a highlight shade and a contour shade. The blushes are very pigmented, the highlighter is beautiful, and the contour shade works well. So definitely go for this one. So we are done with our face, and now we'll move on to our eyes. And for the eyes, I'm just going to start with eyebrows first. I think the best affordable eyebrow crayon has to be the Maybelline Fashion Brow Pomade Crayon. The one thing that I absolutely love about this crayon is that the consistency of this crayon is waxy, which also sets the eyebrows in place. So definitely go for this one. Coming to the eyeshadow part, I haven't included any eyeshadow primer simply because you can use your concealer as your eyeshadow primer, and then you can set it with your baby powder. So I'm directly moving into eyeshadow palettes, and the best affordable eyeshadow palettes has to be the Wet n Wild palettes. These are of very good quality and are very affordable, so definitely go for these. So coming to eyeliners, I think one of the best affordable eyeliners has to be the Nykaa Get Inked eyeliner. For all the beginners out there, please go for a pencil liner simply because it will help you to create a proper wing. And this is a really good liner, and it will last on your eyes for almost 4 to 5 hours, which is a really good amount of time. So definitely go for this one. So coming to mascara, I think one of the best affordable mascaras has to be the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara. This is one of my most favorite mascaras of all time. This lengthens your lashes, this provides a great amount of volume to your lashes, and it also stays for a pretty good amount of time. So definitely go for this one. So coming to kajal, I think one of the best affordable kajals are the Lakme Iconic Kajals. These are of very good quality and they are very long lasting, so definitely go for these. So coming to lipsticks, I think one of the best affordable lipsticks has to be the Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Creams. They are of really good quality, they are super long lasting and has a creamy matte velvety finish, so definitely go for these. So last but not the least, talking about setting sprays, I think you can use the Gulab Gel as your setting spray. It just locks your makeup and doesn't let your makeup move, so definitely go for this one. So talking about lash curlers, beauty blenders and brushes, I think you should definitely go for the Vega lash curler, and you should go for the CAL Los Angeles beauty blender. And if you want to go for brushes, then go for the Pune store brushes. These are of very good quality and are very affordable, so definitely go for these three. So with that, we complete our today's video, and all the prices of the makeup products will be listed down in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also click on the bell button besides the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Share this video with your friends and comment down below if you are planning to buy any of these makeup products. And I'm gonna see you all with my next video very soon. Till then, take care. Bye.